In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select track and cut in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, get into the studio, and make a clean cut at the precise point you want. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the BandLab website. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. When the Sign In options appear, choose the Google option. Select your Google account from the list and click. Continue to complete the sign-in. If your browser asks for permission, just follow the prompts. In a moment, you'll land inside your BandLab account. From here, go to your library. This is where all your projects are kept, so pick the project you want to edit. Once that project opens, look for the Studio button and click it. The Studio is the workspace where you can see your tracks, clips, and waveform, and it's where we'll make the cut. Now let's set up the cut. Move the playback cursor, the vertical line in the timeline, to the exact spot where you want to split the track. You can drag the playhead to the right place, or play the project and pause right on the moment you want to cut. For more accuracy, zoom in on the timeline so you can see the waveform in detail. Lining up the cursor with the start of a transient or a visible peak will help you get a clean musical edit. Once the cursor is placed, right-click at that position on the clip you intend to cut. A context menu will appear. Choose Slice from the menu. BandLab will split the clip at the playhead, creating two separate pieces at that exact point. This doesn't change your audio content, it simply divides the clip so you can move, mute, or delete sections independently later if you need to. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you're not seeing the menu, make sure you right-click directly on the clip area rather than the empty timeline. If your edit sounds abrupt, try adjusting the cut point by a few milliseconds and listen again. You can also keep the cursor placement musical by watching the waveform and cutting right before a beat or phrase. And remember, if something doesn't go as planned, you can use undo to step back. That's it. Open BandLab, log in with Google, enter your library, open your project in Studio, place the playhead precisely, right-click, and select Slice. You've now made a clean cut in BandLab, ready for arranging, trimming, or any further editing you have in mind.